Have you ever needed to send someone just one specific page from a massive PDF? Like a single receipt from a statement, a signed contract page, or one chart from a 50-page report? Most people take a screenshot, but sending an image looks unprofessional. Or they send the entire 50-page document and say,
"Hey, check out page 34.
Now the recipient has to download a huge file, scroll through the pages, trying to find that specific page. There's a better way. You can extract and send only the pages you need using pdf.net on your browser. Upload your PDF, click on Split, then Extract Pages, and choose the pages you want to export. You can export these pages as separate PDFs, or you can merge them and export them as a single PDF. Head to pdf.net to try this feature, or use the link in the description. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more PDF shortcuts, and share it with someone who deals with the same problem. See you in the next video!